Okay, so I'll start by first underlining all of the given information. And it's asking for the total volume, and sooner or later we're going to be using PV equals nRT. And since we're asked to find volume, it's going to be V equals nRT over P. So to find all of our information, we need moles, temperature, and pressure. Let's go ahead and solve for all of them. So let's start by finding N moles. So 15.8 grams of silver. So let's go ahead and convert that to moles. 15.8 grams of silver, and the molar mass of silver is 108, roughly. So that will give us 0.146 moles of silver. But we can't use this amount. We need to actually convert it to oxygen gas. The reason being is that this is a question that involves vapor pressure, and it's giving us an amount of water collected at a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, and that's how I know. So I'm going to go ahead and convert it to oxygen. So looking at the equation, I see 4 moles of silver and then just 1 mole of oxygen gas. Giving me 0.036 moles oxygen gas. Okay, so we found 0.036, yeah, 0.0366. So we found N. Let's go ahead and find temperature. So we're going to go ahead and convert 25 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. And to do so, you just add 273 because that's a conversion factor to convert Celsius to Kelvin. So that will give us 298 Kelvin. And then to find the pressure, we don't straight away convert 752 milliliters mercury to ATMs. We first need to find out what the equivalent pressure is for 25 degrees Celsius. And there's usually a chart I can look at to tell you. And 25 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 23.78 milliliters mercury. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 23.78 milliliters mercury from 752 milliliters mercury. Which gives us 728 milliliters mercury. And this number, we can go ahead and convert it into ATMs. The conversion factor for milliliters mercury is 760 milliliters mercury for 1 ATM. Okay, so now we have our moles, our temperature, and our pressure. So let's go ahead and plug everything in. So moles, we found it to be 0.0366 moles. R is a constant and its value is 0.08206 liters times ATM divided by moles times Kelvin. Temperature, we found it to be 298 Kelvin. And pressure, we just found to be 0.958 ATM. And notice that all the units should cancel except the one that we want, which is liters. Yep. So once you go ahead and plug everything into your calculator, you should get around 9.34 liters. And that right there is the answer. Thank you for watching.